Welcome to Frank Bruno Law. I am Frank Bruno. I'm an elder law and estate planning attorney in New York. Today is sort of a grab bag. I want to speak to you about three specific conversations that I had in the last 2 days. Before I tackle those situations, I'd like to let you know I can be reached at callfrankbruno.com or through my website, Frank Bruno Law. Now, yesterday morning, I spoke with a man, a father of 3 children. The 3 children are respectively 4 years old, 2 years old, and 4 months old. Right? Some child is in his 4th year, right? 2nd year, and 4 months. So 3 children under 4, no estate plan in place. Right? So that's a situation that can be addressed by having a will, within the will a testamentary trust, and a provision for a guardian. Right? So that's at least a plan that should be put into place. This is a married person. In the event that there's a situation where he or his wife are together in a car, there's an accident, right? We want to protect against the risk of maybe tragically leaving the children alone at a young age. Well, that was one conversation. So we have a young couple. Next conversation, yesterday I spoke to a widower, a young widower, a gentleman about 60 years old, 3 adult children, no estate plan, no will, has not thought about planning yet, and that's why he contacted me. So right now, and it could very well be the plan that he wants to keep, but in New York, the template, the plan that's there, if you don't have a will, is that this person has 3 children, 3 children as well, and the 3 children will inherit, right? The 3 adult children, they'll get it immediately upon the father's death. And I inserted the word immediately. I don't mean that, or it's not quite immediate. It's as fast as the court would permit, right? So you'd have to, that person without a will, with 3 adult children, in the event that that person should pass away, his children would have to bring an administration proceeding in the surrogate's court, right? They'd have to file paperwork and take that course of action. So the third scenario that I wanted to discuss with you is that I spoke to a woman today. Her aunt went into the hospital. She owns property with her mother, and she asked me, and she had some concerns, and I addressed those concerns for her. But I asked her if her aunt had any power of attorney or any plan in place. So the aunt does not have a power of attorney, and she believes that she's incapacitated. So really, I could provide a lot of information to this person, and I could go through scenarios, but she is limited in what she can do on behalf of her aunt if the aunt is in the hospital and there's no power of attorney for her, and if in fact the person has some type of incapacity, right? Is incoherent, not able to speak, not able to make their wishes known. So these are 3 distinct scenarios, and it demonstrates really the need for, at every stage of life, to have a plan. Okay? If you have any questions about your specific situation, your unique fact pattern, please reach out to me at callfrankbruno.com. Okay? See the tree in the background? See the red tie? Merry Christmas to all those that celebrate Christmas. Thank you.